Hey guys, it's super hot in Indonesia today, so yeah, I'm shirtless. Hope you don't mind. Today I'm cleaning my turtle pond. Meet Sammy. He's red-bellied shortneck turtle. Basically, he loves water like 90% of his life, swimming, chilling, being a water potato. Because of that, his pond gets dirty pretty fast. Moss and algae grows everywhere on the pond, on the walls, even on his shells. Yep, free green outfit. And since I live in tropical country, everything grows like crazy. Moss, algae, even stuff I didn't invite. I keep my pond natural, no filter. Why? So I can check up my turtles more often and change the water regularly. Also, I guess I like extra work. And look at this, semi-shell is getting kinda green. Some people use toothbrush, but me, I use sponge and scrub it like I'm sanding wood. This method is gentler because turtle shell are actually sensitive. Yeah, they can feel it, so no hardcore scrubbing. Because this isn't a car wash. I don't want to waste your time from my YouTube watch time, so I'm gonna speed it up. This is Benji, my 2 month old baby snake turtles. His shell is still soft, so sponge is a safe choice. I treat babies like VIP here. For basking area, I use this setup. Top for sunbathing spot and bottom for hiding spot. Basically it's a total studio apartment. Oh, if you use clay bricks, moss and algae will grow faster. So if you want that natural jungle pond vibe, just add brick. Now meet Thomas, the troublemaker. He is a red ear slider and kind of aggressive, also very greedy. Honestly, he'd probably eat your lunch too. I also separate him because this guy wants to be king of everything. His shells look super green, but it might actually be old shell layers with algae on top. So I use acriflavine, is written here 5 milliliter for 25 liter of water, and let him soak. After 2 days, look, his shell is peeling. That means its old shell is coming off. Well, don't peel it. Yeah, don't peel it yourself. Just gently scrub and let it off naturally. No force peeling, okay? This isn't a sunburn season. Alright, that is for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you like turtle content, drop a comment below.